Okay, now let's look at this one. Yes, let's look at this. Evaluate limit as n approaches infinity of this. Okay, so here you need a squeeze theory. You need to squeeze it. So like I said, squeeze theory, we have a to the 8n is less than bn less than or equals to cn. So an is less than or equals to bn less than or equals to cn. Actually, we are finding the b subscript n because that's the one we are squeezing. Is that okay? So if you have watched my previous video, you will see how I explain it vividly at that place. So if you have not watched that video, just go back there and watch it. Yes. So if you look at this one, this is very perfect on this. So we start with this one. I'm saying that if you want to get the an, you look at the one that is biggest there. Here, the bigger one is 11 to the power n. So that's your an. So let's write it there. It's less than or equals, remember, this was power 1 over n, right? The bn is actually what is here. So 11 to the power n plus 4 to the power n. And the cn is depend on the number of terms here. So we have 2 terms times the highest number there. So in this case, the highest number is this. So we have 2.11 to the power n. Please, if you watch my previous video on this, you will understand it. So go back to my bio, try to subscribe and watch it. Okay. Yes. So now let's move on. If I simplify, I'm going to have 11 is less than or equals to, I'll maintain this, which is 11 to the power n plus 4 to the power n less than or equals to, this is going to be 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 1 over n times 11, because this one, this n will cancel this, so you leave it only 11. So you are now applying the limit on it. You have limits as n approaches infinity of 11 is less than or equals to the limit as n approaches infinity of 11 to the power n 4 to the power n 4 to the power this less than or equals to the limit as n approaches infinity of 2 to the power 1 over n times 11. So in this case, this side will give us the same 11 because the limit as n approaches of infinity, as n approaches to infinity of 11 is 11 because the limit of a constant is the same number. Now this is what we are looking for, so you maintain it. So once you're able to get the other side too to be 11, then the goal is achieved. Now what happens here is that, look, here 2 will be 11 because this is 2 to the power 1 over n, and n is approaching infinity. If I put infinity here, it means that as I'm putting a bigger number there, this side will be approaching to 0. So it will be 2 to the power 0, which is 1. Then 11 the limit of the constant, which is the same constant, so it will be 11. So conclusion, since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then the limits as n approaches infinity of 11 to the power is plus 4 to the power d is equals to 11. Thank you very much. Another name for the squeeze theorem is sandwich theorem. Thank you.